make money online utilizing a free Google technique, which is one of the simplest ways to generate money from home. How should it be done? We will find out soon enough. This is how you can make $5,180 utilizing a free Google trick. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. In this video, I will show you how to set up this passive income stream by exploiting a simple Google trick with a single click of a button, using this completely free software. And guess what? You don't have to invest any money to get started, you don't need your own website, and this has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. So let us start with step 1, which is to navigate to news.google.com. Step 2 will take you to Google News, which is a news aggregator site provided by Google where you can access all of the most recent news from across the world. And you can see all of these different categories on the left-hand side, including your country, what's going on in the globe, local news, and as well as business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. If you go over to business right here, you will get all of the most recent business news, whether it's from your own country or from around the world. Moving on to step 3, this news will be updated every couple of hours, and new articles will be published on specific topics, which in this case will be business. As you can see, this one was posted 1 hour ago, this one 14 hours ago, this one 11 hours ago, and so on. You may therefore open any of these articles and use them to make money online. So for example, a flight to space with Jeff Bezos aboard Blue Origin's New Shepard sold for $28 million. All you have to do now is click on this exact article, and that will get us to this page. As you can see, here is the complete post that you can utilize to make money, and I will show how exactly to do it. So for this step, please replicate this article. So for the purposes of this video, I am going to reproduce 2 phrases from this post to demonstrate how this works and how you can make money from these articles on Google News. Moving on to step 4, all you have to do is go to Quillbot.com. Quillbot.com is a free online application that will professionally rewrite those articles for you. As a result, you can utilize them for free to generate money online again and over again. So all you have to do is paste your content here and hit the paraphrase button, and it will redo the entire article. The best part is that it is all done for you for free. As you can see on the left, we have the original content, and on the right, we have the reworked article, which is now unique and ready to use. With the press of a button, I can now copy this rewritten article and use it to make money online. And you can do the same thing for all of the articles from different categories that are available in Google News, which come in every few hours, making it appear as if you have hundreds and thousands of different articles, each of which can make you money again and again. And later in this video, I'll give you free goodies that will help you to make even more money. So stay tuned. Moving on to step 5, there are 2 ways you can make money with those repurposed content. The first will not pay you much, but the second will pay you thousands of dollars. In fact, it has paid tens of thousands of dollars to people all over the world. The first choice to go is with TextBroker.com. TextBroker.com collaborates with large corporations like Yoast, Staples, eBay, and others. This platform will compensate you for the articles you write. Of course, you won't have to create those articles yourself since, as I just demonstrated, you can have them produced for you for free with a single click of a button by employing a simple Google trick to make money online. So all you have to do is go to textbroker.com and click on the I Write Content button right here. And this will take you to the next page where you can learn more about how to make money by producing articles for TextBroker. TextBroker registration is completely free, and you can begin earning money by creating various articles right now. You may now calculate how much money you'll make if you go to the payment area right here and click on additional details. As you can see, you will get $50 for 1,000 words. And you can literally discover a lot of 1,000 word long items on Google News. As a result, the longer the article, the bigger the earnings. You will earn more money if your content is longer and better. So let us suppose you can earn up to $600 for 12,000 words. The best part is that you can do it again and again. However, keep in mind that this will not bring you nearly as much money as the second method of getting money with free articles. To get started with TextBroker, simply click on free author registration right here. Register an account for free and start making money with those articles. The second option to generate money from free articles is to use freelance websites such as Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Guru.com, QuickandGigs.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, and so on. There are many various freelancing websites that you may utilize, not just Fiverr, because using more of them would allow you to make a lot of money. So if you sell on 10 separate freelancing websites, you can multiply your earnings by 10. However, if you only sell on one website, there is only one option to profit from those articles. As a result, the more you do it, the more money you will make. So if you go to Fiverr.com and search for article writing, you will see all of these various folks who make money by writing simple articles. But the fact is that they are doing it the difficult way because they are doing it themselves. That is why it takes so much longer and effort to compose those articles. Customers, on the other hand, despise having to wait. No one likes to be kept waiting. And because you can deliver those articles very instantaneously, you will be 10 steps ahead of all of your competition, earning more money than them. And you can see that it actually works, since this guy is offering this service for $35 and has 148 transactions, resulting in a profit of $5,180. Other person charges $40 and has over 400 sales, while this person charges $60. These individuals are all earning tens of thousands of dollars by writing easy articles. And this is only one freelance website, Fiverr, which is quite competitive. As a result, I strongly advise you to use the other freelancing websites as well. And as I indicated before in this video, you have a plethora of Fiverr options. The more freelancing websites you use, the more money you will be able to make. This method is extremely simple and completely free. The best aspect is that it works everywhere in the world. If you want to make even more money, watch this video right now to learn how to earn $100 per hour by simply viewing videos, which is one of the simplest ways to make money online. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.